Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is x squared minus 4 whole squared is equal to x plus 4. So we need to find the value of x here. Now starting our solution, let us suppose that this x squared minus 4 is equal to y. So we also write this like x squared, shifting this plus y to our left hand side, then we will get x squared minus y is equal to 4. So let's say it is our equation 1. Now here if we are going to put this value of y in our problem, so we will get y squared is equal to x plus 4, and here y squared, shifting this plus x to our left hand side, we will get minus x, that is equal to 4. So let's say it is our equation number 2. Now if we see our equation 1 and equation 2, the right hand side of equation 1 and equation 2 is equal, so we can compare equation 1 and equation 2. So by comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we have right side are equal, hence we just write left hand side of this equation x squared minus y, it will be equal to left hand side of equation number 2, which is y squared minus x. Now x squared, shifting these two expressions here, then we will get minus y squared, and similarly minus y, shifting minus x, we will get plus x, that is equal to 0. So now this x squared minus y squared, according to algebraic formula, that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So using here, then we have x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y, and here if we just take plus 1 is common, so x minus y, that is equal to 0. Here we see that this x minus y is common term, so x minus y taking common, x plus y, and here we will get plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases here, that first one is x minus y is equal to 0, or x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 0. Now recall our position here, that we know that y is equal to x squared minus 4. So putting the value of y in our first case, then we have x minus x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So multiplying this negative sign into parentheses, we will get x minus x squared minus time minus is plus 4, that is equal to 0. So now x squared, that is minus x squared plus x plus 4 is equal to 0, and here multiplying by minus 1, then we will get x squared minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation because it is a quadratic equation. So using quadratic formula here value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to 4. Using quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So putting values of a, b, and c here, then we get that minus time b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b squared is minus 1 squared minus 1 whole squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 4 all over 2 times a is 1. So here we will get 2 times 1. So x is equal to minus time minus is plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 squared is equal to 1, and minus 4 times 4 is 16, and here we have that for minus 16. So here value of c here is, here value of c is actually minus 4, so it is minus 4, then we have to write here minus 4. Now Here we will get minus 4. So value of 4 is c is minus 4. Then here we just write 1 minus times minus is plus. So 1 plus 16, 2 times 1 is 2. Here our value of x is 1 plus minus square root of 17 all over 2. Here we have two possible solution, that is x1 and x2. So it is our value of x, but we have another case that x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So using this equation here, that is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, but we also know that as this y is equal to x squared minus 4, so putting the value of y here, then we have x plus x squared minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now using again quadratic formula here, so for this purpose a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus square root of b squared is 1, and minus 4 times a 1, and c is minus 3 all over 2 times 1 is 2 times a. So here x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of, here we get minus times minus is plus, 4 times 3 is 12, so 1 plus 12 is 13 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So here we get another two values of x, let's say it is x3 and x4. So we have four solutions of x. So here we just write our final answer. We have x1 and x2 is equal to, that is value of x1 and x2, which is 1 plus minus square root of 7 over 2, and similarly we have x3 and x4. So x3 and x4 is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 13 over 2. So these four solutions are our final result. Now we can just review our problem here step by step. So here we just find out the value of x for this problem. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.